Most people get this wrong when choosing software for their plumbing business. They compare features, look at pricing, and pick a winner without thinking about how their company actually operates day to day. Here's the truth, no one tells you. The best software for a plumbing company is not always the one with the most features. It is the one that fits your workflow. In this video, you'll learn the key differences between Jobber and Housecall Pro in 2026, which platform is easier for plumbers, where each one shines, and which type of plumbing business should choose each option. Let's get straight to the answer. If you're a small to medium-sized plumbing company focused on scheduling, invoicing, customer management, and ease of use, Jobber is often the simpler choice. If you want more built-in marketing tools, memberships, and automation features, Housecall Pro may be the stronger option. But here's the problem. Many plumbing business owners stop their comparison there, and that's where costly mistakes happen. Let's start with scheduling and dispatching. Imagine Jake owns a plumbing company with 4 technicians. He needs to assign jobs quickly and see who's available. Jobber's scheduling interface is known for being clean and easy to understand. Most new users can learn it quickly. This reduces training time and helps teams get productive faster. Now here's where it gets interesting. Housecall Pro also offers scheduling and dispatching, but it adds more automation options and communication tools. For businesses handling a higher volume of service calls, these extras can save time. Next, let's talk invoicing and payments. Both platforms allow plumbers to create estimates, send invoices, and collect payments online. This is where most people fail. They focus only on invoice creation and ignore payment speed. Faster payments improve cash flow, which is critical for service businesses. Both systems perform well here, so this category is essentially a tie for most plumbers. In a minute, I'll show you which platform delivers better long-term value. First, let's discuss marketing. Housecall Pro has stronger built-in marketing features, including customer follow-ups, automated reminders, and membership plan support. If John runs a plumbing company that depends heavily on repeat customers and service agreements, Housecall Pro can provide a significant advantage. Jobber, on the other hand, focuses more on operational simplicity. Many plumbing companies appreciate having fewer moving parts and a cleaner user experience. So which one should you choose? Choose Jobber if you want an easy-to-use platform, straightforward scheduling, and a system your team can learn quickly. Choose Housecall Pro if you want stronger automation, customer retention tools, and built-in marketing capabilities. The bottom line is simple. Neither platform is perfect for everyone. Jobber tends to win on simplicity and usability. Housecall Pro often wins on automation and growth-focused features. Now you know exactly what to look for before investing your money. If this comparison helped you make a better decision, hit the like button, subscribe for more software reviews and business guides, and let us know in the comments which platform you're considering for your plumbing company in 2026.